got enough space here to bust. It won't be just what happens usually. We'll explode and leave a hole where London used to be. Bear used to be grinding like they're big men. When the arms meet blood, don't bring a gun, bring a pen and a pad. And while you're writing in the meanwhile, to pay for your cheap talk, I'll rip you with a freestyle. Evil and good, fake and real, there's a war in this. But there's an orifice, I'll lead you through like Morpheus. I'm less patient, can't take much more of this. Cheap talk, cheap posts, cheap thrills. TV's not reality, reality's too ill. So what's it gonna be, the red or the blue pill? Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew links side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Better get used to it, I'm gonna be about on bare days. There's gonna be bare rain up in the airways. I lied about hearing us when we spit this stuff. All 5 of your senses will pick it up. We'll be around for time and so vivid. So don't worry if you blink, you won't miss it. For all those trying to mess with mine, no lay, I make tracks get left behind. Eat my dust, beef I'll eat man's up. I'll rain so hard that your fake bling will rust. No long thing, a matter of life and death. I'll spit rhymes till there's no other rhymer left. If life's a game, then you better find a rep. I'm deadly serious, not much time is left. I'm coming, the name's rain. Best remember, it's gonna rain from January to December. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. Lynx, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious.
Where do I rest? Where do I play? It feels as though I've been up in this gridlock for days. Still I'm hoping that this shit stops, but hey, whatever happened to the hip-hop parades? It ain't funny, I could get shot today. Man's hold buckies and the chicks clocking the praise. I wish it wasn't the case, but to them it's not and it's okay. This world seems far from genuine. Seeing all this almost makes it hard remembering times when my mind was occupied with computer games. It's all changed and I couldn't tell you who's to blame. Move again, I'm just hoping I might bust. Maybe then there'll be no need catching the night bus. This means a lot to me, I never just write stuff. It's funny what you see along the roads of your life, but life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Already 20 years old, now that can't be right. Why do I feel like I've already lived half my life? People telling me that death is a part of life, but they're all lost for words when I ask them why. Too many things on my mind, so I start to write, wondering if in this battle I'm a last to fight. Me, my brother, my uncle, they're my heart, we're tight. We converse through the night till the spark of light. Nowadays chicks, them, they ain't half as bright. All cutting up their chest for a larger size. The kind of man you will attract in the park at night. The kind of man that will approach you with a mask and knife. I don't laugh or cry, these the hardest times. Apart from rhymes, I'm trying to feed my starving mind. I ask a lot of questions I can't deny, but I'd be fibbing if I knew where all the answers lie. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo,
charged. Yeah, listen, said I'm fully charged. Freestyling, you don't know it. Throw it, explode it. From the top of the dome, I blow it like it's wind sailing through the leaves and the trees. I camouflage, fly with the bees. Niggas see me in the sky in the form of a cloud. Spit to the crowd, get loud. Wow, my whole style since a child been milli. Hard slap a nigga till the dome just silly. What you want? Pop, Willie pop, Jitty what? Freestyle, the bottom of the gut, and it's so dramatic like the ocean's crashing in the form of waves. I'm a war to the rave, and when I pop my style, you get transformed from the name to a civilized man with the mic in the hand instead of a gat. You wanna strap something else? Follow me back. Listen, yo, run it back though. I run this race like an athlete, run this pace. MCs wanna change, get raised, the mic get laced. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. I roll with hectic and some monstrous. And it's like the microphone I'm kissing. Use my intuition from the dome, just chin. Leave your whole mind itching, scratching your scalp. Cold like that out when I roll flows. Don't know them out that I pose with, froze with, cold with, so cold with since the school days. Who choose who's blaze when I blaze? Press play, press stop, pause, rewind, blow with the mind. Penetrate your whole spine, make you wind your waist, and I'm finding a place, my whole style. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. I roll with hectic and some monstrous dudes that be on the rap scene. From the Papo to Hackney, whatever you call it, slang the man. I walk with a little twang in my hand. With a bop and my sword and my glistening from the back when I style of the rap. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. When I flip flows acrobatically like some gymnasts, get panicky and my whole style is just anarchy. From the court of the keys, my reward is to please. Whatever the keys say, I do say, he say. Wanna talk out the he say, she say. I'm on high double. To get in trouble, I bubble with the crowd till the walls start to rumble and my whole style throwing it hard. This is hip hop apocalypse. This is hip hop